If you are about to leave this class, you will miss the opportunity to change your life. Don't waste another day watching fake gurus sell you the dream of easy money. But if you give me 10 minutes, I can give you a system that turns $100 into $10,000 a month in 2026. The choice is yours. Stay or stay poor. Let's begin. Forget everything you think you know about starting a business from scratch. You are in 2026, and you have exactly $100 in your pocket. Those old rules are gone now. Throw them away. Buying $5 of Bitcoin will not save you. Starting a dropshipping store on a low budget is a guaranteed way to zero out your money. Why? Because everybody is doing it, and the market is saturated with garbage. In this new time, you need a strategy based on precision, leverage, and human logic. Today, I am giving you that realistic roadmap I would use to go from this $100 to a stable business empire making $10,000 a month. There are no get-rich-quick fairy tales. There are only pure, actionable systems. The class begins. Stage 1. The survival phase. How are we going to use the only $100 we have? We are not investing it. We are converting it. We need a high-income skill, and we need to get it fast. Every brand, every entrepreneur, every local business needs to capture people's eyes. That is why your vehicle will be short-form video editing and social media management. Here is the budget breakdown. I want you to immediately spend $20 on a targeted, highly rated course from platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Don't waste your weeks researching. Find a course that teaches the most fundamental elements of pacing, retention editing, and hook creation. The remaining $80? That will go to a 1-month subscription for a professional tool set. Your task for the next 72 hours is simple. Lock yourself in your room and master video editing. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be knowledgeable. Phase 2. Now you have the skills and the tools, but you are still broke. This is where 90% of students quit and give up. They wait for clients to find them. We are not waiting. We are going to hunt. Your task is to identify 50 potential clients. This could be local businesses, new YouTube channels, or even busy influencers whose formatting is terrible. Here is your exact pitch strategy. You download one of their long videos, edit a highly engaging, professional 30-second short video, and then send it directly to their email. Your message is simple. Hey, I saw your recent content and loved it. I edited this short video on your behalf for you to use for free on Reels and TikTok. If you want me to do the same for your next 10 videos, let's talk. If you do this 50 times, you will get at least 2 yes answers. You turn your hard work into a recurring contract of $500 or $1,000 a month for each. Congratulations. You just turned your $100 ticket into a $2,000 a month cash flow. The hunt is over. Now, it is time to build. Now we enter stage 3. The critical turning point. Listen to me carefully. If you keep editing every single video by yourself, you will burn out. You are not a freelancer, you are a business owner. This is where we build the agency. With your first $2,000 coming in, I want you to immediately reinvest $1,000 of it back into the business. Go to Upwork or LinkedIn and hire a hungry, talented freelancer to do the actual editing work. Your new role is now Creative Director and Client Acquisition Manager. You have now broken the chain of trading your hours for money. Your only job is to review your editor's work, maintain the client relationship, and focus solely on finding new clients. Once you have a system, acquiring the third, fourth, and 10th client is just a matter of repeating phase 2. This is how you scale from $2,000 to $10,000 a month. You are not building a job for yourself. You are building a media company. Final thoughts. This roadmap is not some secret hack. The real currency you are spending is not that $100. It is your focus and your discipline. Stop looking for that magical automation or secret AI tool that will do all the work for you. There is no such thing. Real wealth is built by mastering a skill that solves a painful problem for a business, executing it better than average, and building a logical system around it. If you are serious about following this plan and want me to tell you step by step exactly how to structure that client outreach email, hit the like button and let me know in the comments. Subscribe for unfiltered, battle-tested strategies that actually work. Class is dismissed. Now go and execute.